The 2011 super outbreak, which remains the largest tornado outbreak in world history, offers no shortage of terrifying footage. In this video, a man films the 2011 Tuscaloosa Birmingham tornado from an apartment complex in Tuscaloosa as his family shelters in a closet, all while the tornado ominously approaches his position.
¡Qué feo! Yo nunca Dios.
Oye, vámonos. Chingue su madre, si bien soy yo casas.
¡Ay, no, vámonos!
Métanse al baño. Métanse al baño, métanse, no. Métanse allá al closet, métanse al closet. Métanse al closet, Silvia. Dios mío, que Dios nos cuide, Silvia. Cama. Ya estamos aquí, Silvia, está tomando todo. Viene para acá. ¡Hey, cámara! ¡Hey! ¡Vato, bájate! ¡Bájate, güey! ¡Bájate, güey!
Me hubiera metido aquí, men.
¡Se metieron! Silvia, métanse aquí, quédense. No se muevan de aquí. Ay, Dios mío, Silvia, está pasando por aquí, Silvia. ¿Ya pasó? No, llámala, se acaba. Ay, está el carro, Silvia, se mueve un poquito, ya está pasando. Ya pasó. Ay, Dios mío.
The tornado misses his building, but since the tornado remained at EF4 strength the entire time it was in the city, it killed 44 people, injured 1,500 more, and damaged nearly 6,000 structures, some of which were completely swept away. This video was taken by an airman at McConnell Air Force Base, not far from Andover, Kansas. In the distance, the tornado slowly approaches the base at high-end EF3 intensity, all while blaring tornado sirens underscore its arrival. Before long, the furious tornado cuts a power line, cutting the power to the siren, and makes impact on the base, narrowly missing the cameraman and his colleagues as it tears through the facility just across the parking lot from them. Twister injured 16 personnel at the airbase and destroyed 102 of its housing units, along with the base hospital and 8 other major facilities. Through sheer good fortune, the tornado missed the 2 B-1 Lancer bombers that were armed with nuclear warheads when the funnel struck. As it left the facility, the tornado reached EF4 intensity before making its way to the city of Andover, where it reached EF5 strength. Overall, this twister killed 17 people and injured 225 more, and became one of the most iconic tornadoes ever caught on film. The family in this video lived just across the street from Joplin High School, which was totally destroyed in the May 2011 Joplin, Missouri tornado. Their home didn't fully escape the damage path either. The 200-mile-an-hour winds of the EF5 tornado are audible at first as a distant hissing, before progressing to a screaming howl. The family rushes to safety in an interior bathroom, but don't all make it inside before the winds of the tornado reach their home.
Go outside here a little bit.
Yeah.
Off the house. Right there, it's coming right at us. Fucker, close that window. Let's go.
Get away from the window. Get
The house. Come on, let's go, dog.
Get away from the windows. Where are you? Where are you?
Adria!
Get in here. Get in the bathroom. Get in the bathroom.
Dog, come on.
Be careful of the window.
Where are they?
Be careful of the window. Be in the basement.
Where's Adria?
I'm right here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Get in the bathroom.
Yeah, get the where
There's a window right there. There's a window. There's a window.
right on us. Oh my God.
Okay, hold him. It's okay.
Okay, son.
Okay.
I got something. I got some glass in my eye.
It's okay. It's okay.
I got whacked inside the face.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay.
like we're gonna have to have peanut butter.
It's okay. It's okay.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
You guys okay?
We're alright. Alright.
Oh my god.
It's not done yet.
As the winds die down, the family slowly leaves the bathroom of their house to find that their home, yard, and neighborhood has been reduced to little more than a garbage heap. But as hellish as it was, it could have been worse. 158 people died that day, and 13 people who were hit by soil-caked debris also suffered flesh-eating fungal infections in the ensuing weeks, the first of their kind. 5 of these people would end up dead, making the family in the video very lucky that the tornado didn't hit them head on. The small community of Mount Hope, Alabama was almost completely destroyed by an EF5 tornado that traveled from Hackleburg, Alabama to Phil Campbell, Alabama during the super outbreak of April 2011. A group of 11 people watched the gargantuan tornado approach before fleeing to a storm cellar. The user who uploaded the video reported that they only had 12 seconds to get to cover before the tornado reached their location, flattening almost everything around them. The sound of the twister is even more terrifying, knowing that those sheltering are only protected by a few inches of steel and cement.
We're in Billy Little Storm House. We're seeing it. We're looking right at it right now. Larry, you ain't never seen nothing like this. Hey, it's coming right over us.
Hey, David.
Yeah.
He's wanting you in here.
No, you hold on to him. Yeah. All right, we're in the storm house. Yeah, I ain't never seen nothing like this. Hey, look at that boy, it's getting dark.
Look here, Lord, have
Lord,
mercy.
I ain't never seen nothing like this.
Lord. We don't have any houses. Get back here,
It's on top of
everybody.
us. Yeah, get right here in this corner.
How?
Get on back here in this corner.
Back here in the corner, David.
Because you don't never know what that door will do.
David!
I
don't listen.
It's going to destroy the house.
I bet it does.
My goodness. There's that train. Yeah. Listen. It's stuck in there.
How come it took so long? I don't think it is. Don't open the door yet, please. Don't open the door yet, please.
This went over.
Y'all, we gotta hang together. I don't know what's out there, what's there.
I know, we don't want to know. My face is losing our kids.
Hello, power lines are flowed over the door here.
Well,
Who do we
over
call?
our door right here.
Over that door. We stuck.
Reckon we're anything
We might
left
thank God the power
there.
line blowed over it, because that might have been what
Might
holding
have
it down.
saved us, I bet y'all. Man,
This storm pit
y'all,
saved us,
y'all,
didn't
do
it?
y'all know anybody got
They survived, thankfully, but the cameraman reported that they were trapped in the shelter for an extended period of time by debris, including a downed power line which posed both a fire and electrocution hazard after the worst was over. 72 deaths occurred as a result of this storm. It remains the deadliest tornado recorded in Alabama, and was briefly the deadliest tornado in the United States since 1955, until it was overtaken by the Joplin tornado 1 month later. In Volume 1 of this series, I showed footage from the 2008 Parkersburg tornado as it took apart a house just across the road from First State Bank. This next video shows the EF5 tornado hitting the bank itself, which was almost completely swept away. Along with the bank, the whole south side of the town was virtually wiped off the map, with 9 people losing their lives in the process. The Parkersburg tornado was the most powerful of the May 2008 Great Plains tornado outbreak, which spawned 173 tornadoes across 13 U.S. states.